original Oyster House.
Gulf Coast Grilled Cheese Guru here. Today we are going to the Oyster House, Mobile Bayway.
If stairs are scary, there is an elevator. We're here. It's on the menu as the ultimate grilled cheese, but remember to ask for it without the shrimp if you don't like seafood. And keep in mind, it's only on the lunch menu. So what is a girl who doesn't like seafood doing at a restaurant that has an actual oyster in the title? Well, as far as I'm concerned, this is the birthplace of cheesy grits. I'm from Ohio. We do not eat grits in Ohio. If we do, they're not the same kind. The first time I had grits was here at the Oyster House, and I fell in love. So come here for cheesy grits. Also, the thing that I'm not going to try that you might like are the fired grilled oysters.
So what did I think of this grilled cheese sandwich? It was solid. It had a nice crisp on the sourdough bread. It wasn't really melty cheesy, but it had a good flavor with the Gouda and American put together. They let me order it without the shrimp that it says comes in the menu, and it also allowed me to change out the gumbo for cheesy grits, my favorite. So other good things to eat here that are not seafood, red beans and rice, and they have a really good salad bar. That's it for this episode of GCGCG. I'll see you next time. So if you are interested in more of what this Gulf Coast Grilled Cheese Guru has to say, make sure you click the like button below and subscribe to our channel. We'll see you next time.